Good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon ay strategies na kung saan makaka-develop sa estudyante ang kanilang functional literacy. Para sa akin kasi, mas strategy ko is groupings o kaya yung cooperative learning na kung saan naniniwala kasi ako sa kasabihan, maybe it may be cliche pero no man is an island. Paano magiging functional ang isang estudyante kung titingin lang tayo sa pangsarili nating perspective? Kaya gusto ko ng groupings para may interaction na mangyari. Para sa ganoon ay hindi lang naka-confine yung ideya natin as personal natin, kundi may maidagdag pang bago sa mga makakasalamuhan natin. Yun lamang po.
Pwede din natin gamitin yung experiential experiential learning. Yung kung saan ay parang i-engage natin yung students natin sa environment natin, kung ano yung mismong topic natin para mas mabilis nila or mas madali nilang maunawaan yung lesson.
Mas ganda yung building vocabulary wherein, halimbawa, before mag-start ng klase, bawat isa sa kanila magbibigay ng vocabulary na hindi pa nalalaman ng iba para magkaroon sila ng mas malawak na vocabulary na magagamit din nila sa near future.
While formal and standardized assessments and strategies can be useful, I think that we should also focus on more informal or personalized methods. After all, every student has their own ways of learning, as well as specific things that they have yet to learn and understand. So my suggestion is that we could use more student-centered or student-led strategies, such as letting them read and write on their own, or giving them the chance to write their own reading reports, reflection papers, and presentations. Meanwhile, the teacher will just introduce, guide, and supplement when needed, so that the students will be able to learn at their own pace while being not misguided at the same time. As for assessments, I feel that we should focus on what the student has yet to learn and understand instead of measuring what the student has already memorized before. So my suggestion is that we use formative assessments that are followed up with necessary remedial lessons.
In line with this, I would like to develop functional literacy in teaching strategies such as cooperative learning and differentiation to open and somehow develop the confidence of students to interact with one another, and also to know the different learning assessment of students with technology usage in the classroom. For the forms of assessment, I will push through the summative assessment such as unit tests to sum up whether the students have met the learning objectives and specified level of proficiency. An informal assessment, because this type is more flexible and teachers can adjust their assessment in multiple engagements on different students.
Yung teaching strategies na naisip ko kanina is yung questioning and inferring. Pwede tayo magbigay sa student ng simple question or statement or alam mo yun, nababasahin nila. Tapos sila yung mag-iisip kung ano yun, o sila yung mag-iisip to answer that question. Kasi di ba nga, yung question inferring is push students to think beyond literal. Tapos ang objectives natin doon is to increase their ability to think critically and analytically. Kasi diba nga, ecological literacy is that ability to understand natural systems that make life on earth possible. So mas naiintindihan nila yung surroundings nila, and also natututo sila dun sa question na yun. Kasi dun na mag-start yung knowledge na i-input natin sa utak ng mga students.
Sa akin naman ay project-based learning. Project-based learning is a student-centered pedagogy that involves a dynamic classroom approach in which it is believed that students acquire a deeper knowledge through active exploration of real-world challenges
and problems. Kumbaga ay mas natututo yung mga bata kapag nakikikollaborate sila sa mga kaklase nila. So, kuwari, sa paggawa ng mga project, ganon.
Ang sa akin naman po ay ang formative literacy or formative assessment. It involved a classroom teacher in checking how many letters and sounds her students know as she plans the coding lesson.
Ecological literacy is the ability to understand natural systems that make life or human life possible. If I would use different teaching strategies that will make my student understand ecological literacy, I think it would be cooperative learning or visualization. Cooperative learning is giving them group assessment tasks and such that will give them opportunity to socialize with others for them to, if they look back with the memories they had or the socialization they had, they will not think of the friend per se or the classmate only. They will also look back with the topic. They will remember what is the topic behind that experience. Also, I would use visualization. Visualization is using image, clips, videos, or even audios that will help our student to visualize the subject matter. For example, the ecological literacy, we could show ecosystems and such that will give them background of what is happening even without going out the house or the classroom.